Welcome to Hanson Hope. This train is about to depart.
Hello everyone and welcome to Hanson Hope. In today's video we'll be looking at the Market Deeping and Stamford Model Railway Show.
Right, let's pop this on here.
Enjoying what she got them because they said one of the 56s is due to be exported to Africa. Yeah, if one of your fellow YouTubers. Okay, well let's get over here, man.
Go across the crossing.
I was on worldwide through, and then once that finished, I went to the other side, didn't I? Yeah, because
Yes, just stop running around. Mine must.
I found out what the problem with this here.
Flown out the door, you know. So I put them together again and walked off.
Start with the most obvious.
Yeah.
Check the continuity. But even be just one axle.
Yeah. If say what you say it has got this late wheel. Wednesday night in Westminster in Liverpool. We've got to show we've got to leave for it. We've got to show the emblem and security score and stuff. So we do a show every year for our club as well.
Because it's fully 3D printed, but all the way. So I'm doing all the print work on the inside and everything else as well. You like a challenge then? Keeps me out of mischief. Well, yeah. Sort of.
Going back and get ready. Maybe I'll tell you.
Lovely.
Run the hedgehog!
No, I'm sure it isn't. I was just wondering, we're going to fire up the Merlin.
Look at that. And that, hold on, that looks like a scope to me, I think. Or is it a cat? I don't know.
Number one. Number two, number one, number four, number three.
It's like, how much did it cost to bring that to the show and to put those guys up for the weekend?
See, I mean, something like this, okay, we're over-egging, it's like... It's bad.
Inconveniently, our 226 is a very different speed.
Well, I'll take the driver out.
Since Phil, you can't see it. I wouldn't have done that. Then you click on it. So you can do it better, show me. I have to do a bit
to see you.
Yeah, I'm going to go, but like I said, I'll be home at 1, 22, and I'm not even left yet.
They bought models off.
Now I'm putting it down and you think, yeah, you've been a bit supposed to smell your pop. Now I feel from home.
Yeah.
Calm.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah. All work to go to the car. Then I'll be able to bank out. Talk to Cole and he'll tell you what to do. Thank you.
If you want to do this one here.
And that one over there as well.
If you want to... Which one's bugging out?
There you go, all the way down to there. There we go.
Someone's waiting.
Instead of just having one training in that, you've got 3 trainers in that and same track. Very, very slowly. It will go. Press number 1.
I like that.
Take it and go and let some feel it.
Yep.
Press number 2. Yeah. And number 3.
Well guys, that was an absolutely wonderful exhibition, and I hope you enjoyed looking around with me. Bye for now.